Let's unbox. So guys, I'm back with another unboxing here. So today I have Honor Color Band A2 with me. So I ordered this from Amazon. I was pretty excited with the product. So this is a fitness band, as you can see, and today we are going to unbox this and take a look at what do we got in the box. Let's just take a look at what's there on the box. It simply says Honor here, and it has heart rate monitoring, it has touch movement, and it records running and cycling as well. Let's take a look on the right side of the box. This product is from December 2017 and the MRP is $2499 and I got it for $2249 on Amazon. So this says the box contains one band, charging cable, cradle, I guess that's the charger, so warranty card, and the user guide and safety information. So here we have a bunch of information. So it says, okay, incoming call and message notifications, it's multiple languages, and it says sweat and water resistant, sleep monitoring. Ooh, you got sleep monitoring. We'll see what it has more. So let's unbox this. For a band, this box feels a little heavy. I don't know what's there in the box. We'll take a look at it. So this is the band, and okay, so this is it. So we get a warranty card, Color Band A2. I think this is the user guide, and this is a pretty big book, and this is heavy, guys. The entire unit is not heavy as this book. This book is really heavy. Anyway, so this was causing the weight. So I'll keep this aside. What do we get in this? So this is the band, Honor A2 band. So get started. Nice. Okay. So here we have the cable. So this is the USB cable, and here we have the cradle. So this is for charging the band, and that's pretty much it. So let's take a look at the band. I'll keep this aside. So this is the band, guys. I don't know if you can see. It is displaying. It says it's waiting for a Bluetooth connection, and I guess without connecting I cannot go further. Yeah, I'll come back to this. So what do we have here? This is a USB cable, and we have USB, and this is a micro USB port, and this is the charger, and I guess it says Huawei on this one, and here are the two contact points, and say okay, it's magnetic, and it just holds up there. So these are the charging contacts, and this has the contacts here, and I guess you just connect the micro USB cable to this and plug it into any charger or any computer of yours, and it should be charging. And now let's come to the band itself. We have the rubber, seems to be good. This is a rubber silicone band, and it's sure thick and sure sturdy, and I like the design, this chrome line on the side of the band. It really looks good, and for the color of this band it really stands out. That's really nice. And we have the branding here. Here we have the Honor branding again, and This has one clip kind of thing that latches to the band, and I guess it should hold up. Yeah, it's pretty strong. Doesn't come out. But personally, I do like the conventional one, the one that has like a watch belt kind of thing, which is much easier, and which is, I personally feel it is comfortable to wear and remove. I've never tried a band with this kind of mechanism. Hope I'll try it out. Let me try it out. It says it's waiting for the Bluetooth connection. Without the Bluetooth, I don't think it's going to work. So I'll connect this to my phone and we'll look at this. Okay, I downloaded this app called Huawei Wear from the Google Play Store, and we'll just see what happens. We'll try to pair these two together. So this says start pairing. Okay. So this is for the notifications to be shown on the band. Okay, now we have it. So now the band is ready. It says it's showing the time, the date, this activity reminder, alarm, do not disturb, notifications, Bluetooth disconnect reminder, raise wrist to wake screen. I guess I'll do this. Yeah, it works. This is it, guys. This is the app. It says go to Huawei Health to view all data. I don't know if this is another app. I don't know why I should download another app, but why can't this app give me all of that? Huawei, if you're watching this is a little bit confusing to me. I don't want two apps to work with. I just want one app. Okay, so we'll take a look at the band now. So the band has what's happening. Okay, now I'll touch this once. I think this is the number of calories you burn. This is the amount of sleep. Okay, here it is also showing you when you walk, it will show you the number of steps that you have taken. And if I swipe down, it just gives you more options. It is find your phone, I guess. What is this? This is reset. Okay, I don't want to reset this now. Okay, what else? Okay, it has a heart rate sensor. Testing. Okay, that's the heart rate sensor working, guys. So that's the heart rate sensor, and there is sport mode. That's it. You have a heart rate monitor, sport mode. In sport mode you have running, this is walking, this is cycling. That's it. Running, walking, and cycling. So this is how the band is, guys, and it definitely looks good. And it is not heavy. I like this band a lot. On the website, this Huawei says this band has a battery backup for 9 days. I doubt it. I don't think we are going to get a 9-day battery backup. It will be hardly, if you use it optimized way, I think you can get it for 4 to 5 days max. I'll put the buying link in the description below. Please use that link, guys. It will help me make more of these videos. And I don't see an option to turn the Bluetooth off, so that I think the Bluetooth always remains on, and that's going to consume a little bit more battery power. You know, if I didn't want the Bluetooth to be on, I should be able to turn it off, but it's not there. And it can monitor your sleep. So I'll quickly wear this on my wrist and see how it looks. Okay, this band looks pretty good on my hand. I definitely suggest you to go for it. I've seen many other bands with weather data, which displays weather data on the band, which with which you can control music on your phone. I don't know if this band has that. I don't think it has. And I also have Huawei also has another band called Huawei Band 2 Pro. They have two versions of that, Huawei Band 2 Classic and Pro. That's pretty. That's around 5,000 rupees, and I don't know if it's worth that. Huawei, I think they can have another band with the pricing of 3,000 rupees with better features. For the kind of band that I expected this to be, Huawei could have added a few more features to this band. I really like this band. I like the way the band looks, and it's pretty lightweight. You doesn't feel it in your hand that it's there. It becomes a part of your body. Please let me know your opinions in the comment section below. I'll also add a few more similar bands that you can buy in the link that are in the similar price range, which you can also take a look into. And that's pretty much it, guys. We'll come back with another unboxing, and this is Huawei Color Band A2.